Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here 7 member and 5 member ring fused system is given. Double bonds are conjugated. The compound has very high dipole moment. You have to find the reason behind it. Here the answer lies in the aromaticity. Normally the dipole moment is defined by the permanent charges because permanent charges create the dipole, hence the dipole moment. Here the aromaticity created by the charge movement. You have positive ion, negative ion. Both rings will be individually aromatic. Aromaticity is the most stable system among any. So the charges want to stay in the particular ring. Positive charge stay in the 7-member ring. Negative charge stay in the 5-member ring. So both rings are individually aromatic as well as collectively aromatic. Hence the charge stays as permanent. So permanent charges create the dipole moment here. That's why the compound has very high dipole moment. The concept we have to learn here is the charges can be permanent by aromaticity and hence it creates the dipole moment. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.